God bless America.
Party, are you prepared to take the Constitutional oath? I am. Would you place your left hand on the Bible and raise your right hand and repeat after me? I, President Carter, 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 President Carter.
Sitting on the world, I got life in my hand. So these days I try to think twice when I can. Money on my mind, as God is my witness. Love don't live here, and it don't even visit. I do this for my uptown politicians. Walked in the kitchen and found a politician. Niggas ain't satisfied until they mama miss it. Niggas ain't satisfied until they mama miss them. I'm a monster, exorcisms. Toe tools like mechanics, mechanisms. That